Hi, this is Jaybealennux and welcome back to my channel. We are here with our cucumber pineapple juice cleanse and it smells delicious. I hope you have been trying it out. Again, this is a 2-ingredient juice cleanse and you are more than welcome to give it a try. Make sure you hit the like button, people. So delicious. Woo, yes. Okay, so we're on day 4, right? Day 4, and I had double portions yesterday. So yeah, well, on one side it's obviously does no justice for me, but on the other side it does. Not this side, this side. Either way, I'm okay with it. Now, this is a very natural juice cleanse. It does not cost much. 2 ingredients. That's all you do, and that's how she wrote. So make sure you hit the like button. Try it for yourself. It really does work. It does help. It's very healthy for you. Your insides will be so grateful and they will thank you for it. So again, I used 2 slices going from the top of the pineapple down, and that's it. And about a half a cucumber. That's the amount of portions per 8 ounces of water. Blended it up, and I have plenty. I have enough to serve 2. So go ahead, give it a try. Very cheap, cost effective, and go ahead. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate every one of you guys who have been here with me from the start and everyone who is about to come along the way. So yeah, thank you for watching.